What it is, y'all, it's Big Call, Bad Eyesight TV, and all that there. You know what I'm saying? And this next video comes from Nimelot Wuse. You'll see your name on the screen. I don't know if I said it right. They said react to Peceli Yato tribute, Unstoppable. Alright, well, found that video with the SWAT team and allow it to be broadcasted. So I was like, let me just, just search his name up and see what the SWAT team ain't gonna SWAT, right? And then I seen a familiar name, Tuisova. We got him on the channel. If y'all want to go see him, he's somewhere in there. And it was like Josh Tuisova, Peceli Yato, and Radradra, FIJIAN Bulldozers. I was like, you know what? Big call here for the big hits, you feel me? So I was like, them three, that's what it seemed like we're gonna get. And that's what I'm here for. So that's what we're gonna watch. You feel me? Like, comment, subscribe, share, add us, follow. Gonna be on the screen and probably in the description. I don't know yet. It's gonna be some damn well. You'll figure it out. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna get this started. They gonna keep this terrible mute. This is the music y'all put over this. That really made the video. See, that would have been a good hit if this music wasn't playing. That music really ruins the video. Are you serious? They gonna keep this music playing. It's really ruining the video. Definitely ruined that. He just discarded him. He ain't even want no problem. He don't even look like he did that to him. He just fell. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm refusing to continue to endure that music. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna see if I can get a better video for y'all. I just was very spontaneous. I didn't know what to expect. Well, usually don't know what to expect, but I wasn't expecting that damn music. Anyways, so I'm gonna catch y'all.